everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Reeti and I am back with another lecture on the DBMS series. So in the last lecture we saw about one of the extended ER feature, that was specialization. Now in this particular video we would be knowing about generalization. These both terms seems very similar but they have a difference. So let's understand what is the difference between them and what is generalization all about. So let's start. So generalization is like finding things that are alike and putting them into a bigger group to represent what they have in common. It helps making things simpler and organized. Now in specialization what we were doing is consider there is a person. Now we were subgrouping the person into customer, employee and consider student. Now in generalization what we do now, consider that we have these subgroups, student and employee. Now student may have some attributes like name, age or something like that. Employee may have some attributes as well. So what we do is we make a higher level of entity, that is person, which would be kind of having the common things in student and employee. So in specialization we were identifying the subgroup entities, and in generalization we are identifying the generalized entity. So it is a bottom-up approach, as student and employee together are forming a person. So it is a bottom-up approach. We have is a relationship between the subclass and the superclass. So this is the superclass and this is the subclass. So let's understand from an example. So here in the example you can see there is electronic device. So consider that I have two entities. First one is mobile phone and second is laptop. Now mobile phone may have some attributes and laptop also may have some attributes. So consider mobile phone is having an attribute such as battery. Mobile phone may have memory, then it may have mobile ID and it may have the mobile type. In the similar fashion, laptop may have laptop ID, laptop serial number. Again, laptop also would be having an attribute such as memory and battery. Now you can see memory and battery is an attribute which is common in both of these, mobile phone and laptop, and it is a general attribute of an electronic device. So what we do is we make a generalized entity, that is electronic device, which would be now extending battery as well as memory, and we remove this battery and memory from here, and we remove this battery and memory from here as well. So what we did is we generalized some of the attributes which was common in the sub entities. So this is what we are doing in this diagram as well. There is a electronic device, laptop and mobile is having a relationship with the electronic device, as it is a bottom-up approach. Electronic device is now having memory and battery, and laptop have their distinctive attributes such as laptop serial number, laptop ID and mobile type. So this is generalization. So basically in the specialization what is happening, in the specialization we have an entity and we provide some subgroup entities which have some distinctive attributes. In generalization what we do, there are some subgroup entities which are having some common attributes. So we make a higher level of class, or we do a abstraction of a higher level of class which would be having all the common attributes or common characteristics these two would be having. So there is one more thing in extended ER features. First one is attribute inheritance and second is the participation inheritance. So in attribute inheritance what it says is both specialization and generalization exhibit attribute inheritance. What is this? Consider there is a person who is having some attributes. So employee and student who is inheriting person would be having the same attributes. So it inherits the same attributes. In participation what it says is if parent is participating in some relationship, so child would also be participating in that relationship. So consider person is a parent and employee and student is a child. So if parent is participating in any relationship, employee and student would be participating in the same. So this was all about this video. I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you're someone who is new to my channel, please go ahead and watch the tech content first and then subscribe to my channel. Also, if you're someone who is very new to DBMS and if you know someone who is looking out for a DBMS series, please suggest this because this is a very basic and beginner friendly series. Till then, take care, keep learning, keep growing, keep smiling. Bye all.